How to connect Stripe payment with WooCommerce updated version 2023. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another e-commerce video, and in this video we're going to be discussing how you can connect your Stripe payments with your WooCommerce. Now, this is going to be a very informational, very descriptive video. I'm going to be teaching you how to sign up with WooCommerce, how to have the proper plan for WooCommerce, and once you've done that, I'm also going to show you how you can connect your Stripe payments with your WooCommerce. I'm going to be teaching you all of that in this very video. It's going to be very nice, very easy, very simple. So please do make sure to watch this till the end and listen to all the information I have to provide you with. And if you do that properly, then I guarantee you that by the end of this video, you're going to properly know how to basically integrate your Stripe payments with WooCommerce. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So we're going to open two tabs. We're going to open WordPress or WooCommerce, and we're basically gonna open Stripe. So we're gonna open these two in a separate tab. So first of all, we're gonna discuss WooCommerce. So here we are. WooCommerce, built exactly the e-commerce website you want. WooCommerce, as we all know, is a customizable open source e-commerce platform built on WordPress. So obviously you can either do it directly from WordPress or you can just try it from here. So you can just click on try it for free. Now, what we're going to do is obviously you're going to create an account for yourself. But if you already have an account, what you can do is you can just start getting right into it. Like, it's not necessary that you have a WooCommerce account straight away, but here we have it. So which one of these best describe you? Make sure to describe yourself well, or you can just skip the step if you want to. But I'd say describe yourself because according to these choices, it's going to optimize your store. So let us know you are in your e-commerce journey so that we can tailor your Woo experience for you. So I'm going to go with I'm just starting my business. Tell us a bit about your store. You can name your store if you want to, name your business if you want to, and then select a business location. This one is a bit, you could say, necessary. So I'm going to go with the United States and I'm going to continue. And once we've done that, we're just going to go and try for free. Now, once you're trying for free and everything, we're going to wait for this to load. And until then, we're going to come back to Stripe. Now, we all know that Stripe is like the most used and one of the best payment services out there. Like most of the websites I know, or most of the websites I've ever been or used where I have gone through the whole payment portal or payment gateway, I've always seen people use Stripe for it. So yeah, we know that Stripe is hugely used. So obviously we know Stripe is a financial infrastructure for the internet. Works great. It's like PayPal but much more advanced, and it works with your commerce websites and everything. So what you're going to do for this is obviously first of all we're going to go ahead and discuss Stripe's pricing. Stripe has a few different pricings obviously because it makes you money, so it might take a bit money as well. So Stripe basically acts as a complete payments platform with simple pay as you go pricing. So it's a 2.9% plus 30 cents per successful card charge. So basically, every card you charge, they're going to cut a 2.9%, you could say, like a small charge out of it. So I guess it's fair. It's fair for them to do that because obviously they're doing you such a big favor, making you a gateway and everything. So it's fair. Now we can see that our Stripe dashboard is also loading in, and we can also see that our WordPress has loaded in now that we've signed up with our WooCommerce. So here you can see your WooCommerce has been initiated, and here you can see your Stripe. Obviously we're going to sign up with our Stripe. Now I'm going to be using a temp mail to sign up with my Stripe, but if you're doing this for the long run, please do make sure to use your proper email. Okay, now I'm just going to wait for my temporary mail. Here we go. I'm going to copy that, paste it here, go to password. I'm going to put in my password. Once we've done that, I'm going to click on continue. I'm sorry, we have to go and sign up. I'm going to go and sign up, use your full name and everything. Go with your password, write it, whatever, make sure to have a strong password. Strong passwords are extremely necessary. Now, once you've done that, you're going to click on create an account. And once you have created an account, what's going to happen is it's going to redirect you or load you into your main dashboard. First of all, it's going to ask you to verify your email. We're going to do that in a second. It takes like a few seconds. So here we are. Just going to verify email address. And there we go. And as you can see, we have been redirected over here. Now you can activate payments right away, but for that you're gonna need to have to give them, the whole lookout and everything. But now that we've done that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come here to our WordPress, and you're gonna find apps, the app section. Now you're probably wondering, what does the app section do? Basically, what the app section does is it integrates your apps with your WooCommerce. So just go to the integrations and apps section, or you can just come to your main WordPress dashboard or homepage. I'm gonna go on my sites, and once you've done that, I'm just gonna wait for it to load. Like once you've loaded over here, make sure to just integrate it in the easiest, most like normal way possible. For that, do know this, that you're gonna need to have an upgraded plan. Like you can't be on like a trial or anything. Like right now we're on a 14-day trial, so it might let us do it, but you're gonna have to upgrade to this plan. So now that what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the symbol over here where it says Jetpack. You're also gonna need to activate this, and once you've activated all of that, what we're gonna do is obviously you're gonna find the app section, and in the app section, what's gonna do is you're gonna get your main plugins, or you could say you're gonna get the integration that you require, or the integration that you're looking for. So basically, once you've integrated your Stripe with your WooCommerce, then you're just going to make sure to fill in the correct information. And once the correct information is filled in, all you're going to do from there on out is just, easily mess around with all the stuff you need to do. Now, again, as I said, to add extensions or add add-ons, you're going to need to have an upgraded version of this. If you don't have an upgraded version, this will not work for you. But if you do have it, then you're good to go. Pretty easy stuff from there on out. So yeah, basically that is how you're going to work around with your Stripe and WooCommerce. Just integrate them and then just create your payments. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.